experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Avondale, in the heart of North York, Ontario, is a mix of quiet residential areas, scenic parks, and urban convenience. Located close to the bustling Yonge Street and Shepherd Avenue intersection, Avondale has easy access to shopping, transit, and green spaces that locals love. One of the highlights here is Avondale Park, a lovely spot for relaxation with its playgrounds, open lawns, and picnic spaces. Just nearby, you can also visit the larger Earl Bales Park for more trails, and in winter, a ski hill. The neighborhood's location near the Don River offers more green spaces and paths, perfect for walking or cycling. Historically, North York grew from smaller communities that developed around the early railroads and industry in Toronto, evolving over time into the diverse area it is today. Avondale, as part of this, has a blend of new developments alongside older, established homes. Avondale is a great mix of city and suburban life. Thanks for joining us on this quick tour.